A lakeside property, soon to be connected by a paved lakeshore path to the center of Palić. This is the perfect place to realize the full potential of your commercial development ideas. With swift access from the Budapest-Belgrade highway and paved access road, this 19,600 square meter property is a convenient stop for domestic and international tourists alike. Complemented by the soon-to-be completed water park, all within 5 minutes from the center of Palić and a 15-minute drive from the center of Subotica. Perhaps a vineyard overlooking a field of grapevine, a restaurant with an open terrace for a magical night on the waterfront, or a summer resort that blends a quiet weekend escape with the excitement of water sports. The potential is here, and the choice is yours. Sold Real Estate Agency.